Now we are gonna install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu. Firstly, you have to open the Chrome and then enter code.visualstudio.com. So this page will appear, and then you have to install .deb extension file because it's the Ubuntu OS. So it automatically starts downloading. I'm just passing this because I have already downloaded the file. It was in downloads folder. Here it is. So to install this you have to go to terminal, and the file was in downloads folder, so you have to click cd space downloads, and then for listing the directories you have to type ls, and here you can see the file name. Just copy this and then enter sudo space dpkg space -i and paste the file name and enter it. So it will ask you the admin password. Once you enter, it starts installing. So it's take few minutes. To check that, click the Windows button and search for Visual Studio Code. So here it is. You have to double click. See, you got the Visual Studio Code.